I capped this. Has a little cap in the middle here, so no water could pass through here. No more water. See the stain of constantly getting water? So right now I'm putting in water from here because the pool's a little low. And then I have this thing, the new Waterfall that I just saw, because I hate this thing. I hated it so much, so I got this thing. Now you're gonna wondering, how am I gonna cover it? Well, it's easy to remove. I could just remove this part, keep this part, and remove this part. The battery part, I already added the batteries, but I'm not really gonna use the battery thing. Let's try it out for a little bit, see if it doesn't turn off on me. Nah, it has an error already. The new setup, I disconnected that. Put the shorter hose here, the longer hose there, to that. My cup holders. Oh yeah, though. The other thing is over there still. Still working on that though. That flows much better now. Much better. I feel like I get more flow than that little thing down there. Plus, I could always remove that and add any other thing. Like, I don't have to have this one on, because it has this. I can remove this easily. If this thing ever breaks for any reason, I can always keep this part and change this part, because this is just basically an extension to this and that. Look at that. Look at all that water. Looks nice. The lights are down here. I'm not gonna turn it off because it's too big. I'll do a second part at night. The thing that it came with, I took it off though because mine doesn't need it. This is an adapter for this one. For the old one, I would say my old skimmer / the one that came with the pool, the one that goes in here. This basically goes from here to here. I hated it because I never worked. I felt that my pool never got clean, so I removed it, and now I feel like it's doing way better work, much better work.